Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today, as of right now, we're about to be heading out to Sac Speed Shop. Babe mama need to go pick up some, so I decided, like, you know what? I'm down. I'll ride with you because since we're gonna be going out there, I can stop by Sac Speed Shop and check on the C-Fizzle, aka the C5 for the people that don't speak slang that may be watching this video. But yeah, so we're gonna be checking on the C5. Last week, remember, we did the video with the C5, same shit, sputtering, running rich, bling, bang, and all this other stuff. It was just, yeah, it was doing C5 things, man. So we finally had Ray go through the harness again because he repaired a piece that was messed up, and then went back through, found another injector piece of another piece of the injector harness that just seemed to be just like caca. So went through, replaced the part of the injector harness, basically rebuilt it, got rid of the adapter harness, and just ran the plugs that go directly to the injectors. It's like the EV1s to the EV4s or whatever. So swap that. He said the car seems to be running fine now, but my tuner Jason did say that it needed to be retuned because he was trying to compensate for the lack of fuel. And yeah, so the tune's slightly gonna be off, but it is running, seems to be firing everything on both banks, seems to be sounding good how it should sound. So since I'm gonna be in Sac, I decided that we're gonna be heading over there. We're gonna be checking this thing out, and I think Thursday my tuner should be coming down to retune this thing, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this is gonna be it. You guys know that I've been dealing with so much BS with the C5. The C5 has probably cost me the most out of all my bills. You guys know I have like 10. How many cars you got now? 10, 9, 11? Yeah, 10 or 11. I don't know. Yeah, somewhere around there. And this car has probably cost me the most money, and it's probably been the most problematic. Like, I'd probably be okay with blowing up 10 SRs again versus like track and wiring on the C5. So hopefully it's good. The C5 used to be my baby mama's favorite car.
It was comfy.
I don't know how she feels about it now, but hopefully it's good, man. I'm so tired of doing videos on the C5 and it's like, oh, C5 is done. Never mind, it's fucking broken still. So hopefully today we get some good news and we feel like it's running in better, and hopefully Thursday when it's all tuned, I really hope it's like done. I hope Thursday I'm picking this thing up, and this weekend I'm picking up the notch back. It would be so nice to have 2 cars back. So yeah, I would really like to have this car back. The C5 is super comfortable. I love daily driving this car. So I hope that's it. That's all I can say is I hope, man. Sorry for the long intro, but I'm in a good mood today. I'm really in a good mood. I just hope we continue to have this mood and things just go smooth. Every time I say I hope things go smooth with the C5, they never go smooth, bro, like ever. So yeah, let's get up out of here. I'm tired of crossing fingers for this C5, man. I'm just pulling up the Sac Speed Shop, but let me just say real quick too, you guys seen that we are doing the Black Dudes Drift event. I said that me and Case is gonna be there. We got Gary, I think her's supposed to be there. Supposedly talks of T-Pain being there. Talked to YB and Amir yesterday when him and Society had called. Supposedly he's probably gonna be coming. So the event's gonna be a cool little event, but we are opening up the event to everybody, to the public. So if you look in the community center, I did post a link to where people could register. First it was like a 2-day event. One day is gonna be like all black dudes driving, getting together and blah blah blah, barbecuing and stuff, as like kind of like a private event. And the next day the event was gonna be open to everybody, but spectators were allowed to come to both days. But now we decided to just go ahead, talk to my boy Jamar, and we got it actually opened up to everybody. That way everybody can drive. So don't matter, you could be white, Mexican, Asian, Chinese, purple, green, fucking spray on tan, gold, don't really matter. So that's the cool part. So if y'all want to come out, chill, make sure you go to the community center, check it out. I'll try to figure out how to drop the link in the video or whatever, but more than likely it'll be somewhere in the description or pinned in the comments where y'all can go if you want to register. Make sure you don't wait till the last minute because it's probably gonna fill up. Total driver count is only gonna be 40, so it's pretty much set up to maximize run time. But even if you aren't a driver, you can still come out and spectate and chill with us. Like I said, I plan on doing ride-alongs for everybody that comes out and comes up and asks for a ride. So if you want to meet me for the first time, come out and chill, me and Kicks or whoever you want to see out there, just pull up. I should have a spare helmet for whoever comes out, and I'll be doing ride-alongs all day. I kind of want to focus on driving, but you know, it's also a good time to get everybody together and just kind of just meet people. So make sure y'all check that out. If you want to come, the event is going to be open to everybody. So it's no longer a private event. Wanted to get it out there for everybody. That way everybody can come chill. I don't want people feeling like the event was segregated or anything. I'm not the one hosting it. My boy Jamar and a couple other people are, but we did manage to get it opened up to where it's like, you know, it's a full-on event for everybody. That way there's no misunderstanding on what the actual goal was and the agenda behind it. So, you know, come out and chill. But yeah, we here, Saxby shop. Where Ray at? He on lunch probably, huh?
No, they're cruising around in the customer car, breaking it in.
This shit running better now or what?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Don't be lying to me, bruh.
Yes, sir.
Can you start it?
You started.
You started.
You started.
Come on. You ain't on lunch?
I don't work here.
You do work here. You master tech.
Yeah, I'll start speaking before your video.
I'm trying to pop the hood. That's how you know it's good when the hood closed. Like it's done. E85 co-start. It always sucks. Yeah, let it go.
Battery's too low.
Second one's gonna start right here. Watch. I know this car. Ah, it's letting me down.
Battery's at 10 volts.
It wasn't doing that before. There she is. I remember before this thing was tinking and all kind of stuff. Yup. Close this. Don't want to hot box my nigga in there, have him smelling hella E85. Wide band's warming up. One side is like, huh? There we go. Feel me? Carnage. Gotta do the red. You know what I'm saying? On Crips blood. On Crips blood. Hey, it sounds hella better. Sounds like revs up hella quick. Hell yeah, we got the whoosh. There we go. AFR is back even. Come on, give me the whoosh. That's how she's supposed to sound. Yeah. She's still cold. She's still warming up, you know what I'm saying? So cold, E85. Wop, 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 wop. This is how this thing is supposed to sound. It sounds way better now. Hell to the yeah. Look, chomping. She is chopping. Finally, man. Finally, she's doing better. I don't want to say she's good, but it definitely sounds way better than like ever sounded. Ah, these niggas hella short in here. Jesus. God. I forgot how to work this thing. No, not that far out. Where's the... Oh, yeah. There we go. Dude, it revs up hella fast now. Like, before it was like... It was sputtering, but now look. Definitely feels more responsive. Let this thing warm up fully. I mean, it's not dead cold, but it's not optimal. Look at the banks. Banks are even. Still needs a tune though. Pretty sure it's the tune's gonna be off a little bit. This thing is haggard. I need to just go ahead and throw this away. This thing is done for. Just hanging all in your face. This soft wiener. right, so the car was sitting here idling and then it just died. Like what? Nah. But it's out of gas. So I just checked the fuel pressure and it's literally bubbling at like 20 psi of fuel pressure. So usually this thing's at like 60. So we're just literally out of gas. It just stumbled down. Red C5 on red C5. Just throwing supercharger on here.
Bill motor. Sorry.
What size? Stroker?
I think it's just a 5.7.
Oh, I'm gonna gap this shit. Who's the owner?
Is this the one?
Who's the owner? Who's the owner? Tell him I won't smoke when he done. See me. C5 versus C5. Loser got to give up their wiring harness. 6 speed. Yup.
Yeah, it's just hella clean.
It is. It's stupid clean.
It's got like 40,000 miles on it.
Damn. It's stupid clean. It's original paint too?
Yeah.
Damn. He got him a little gym. This is going back in the garage when it's done.
I think he's gonna track it.
This is one of those ones that you get top dollar for.
Yeah.
Hella clean. Original paint and stuff.